Boys, it's a big day today. I'm telling you, we're going today on the grand tour in Lanzarote. Meeting up with Mr. TikTok. Yeah, Mr. TikTok, Dan McCann. It is 8 o'clock right now. A little bit tired. Not used to getting up at this time, but it's going to be a good one. Can't wait. So yeah, we're off to go get the bus. Going to Puerto del Carmen. Got to meet up with Dan there. And then we're going to get the bus to the volcano site. So we just pulled up to Puerto del Carmen. Yeah. Got Dan the man here. Dan McCann. How are we doing? Good. Excursion time and hitting up the volcano. Can't wait. Feeling very special with our stickers. So we've made it to the first stop, the El Gulf. We're vlogging a vlog. Yeah. I've never seen a vlogception. This is a vlogging a vlog. All the camera set. We're going to go to the big green pond.
Green Lagoon.
We're going to go to the Green Lagoon.
I have no idea what's going on.
Got to follow this path up to the Green Lagoon, get some good sights, and we'll see you there. Did you drop your mask, lad?
Yeah, someone shouted me back to let me know.
Now time for a segment from Dan from Wikipedia.
So the Green Lagoon, also called Charco Verde and Charco de los Silicots. I think I'm saying that right.
Spanglish,
this
it's alright.
Basically, it hooks onto the volcano for some reason.
I thought it was pollution, to be fair. So we're just leaving the El Gulfo. Now we're heading to the camels. We love a good camel.
Top.
Honestly guys, can't wait for this. Camel's favourite animal, so it's going to be sick. It's worth the €11. You alright, buddy? How are you doing? Tell you what, Dan, you never thought that we'd be riding a camel on the first date, eh? So Dan, what we calling the camel? I think Buddy. Buddy's a good one.
Buddy sounds like a good one.
Yeah.
Out of my comfort zone, this. I'm not used to doing anything like this.
Yeah, you said you're not good with heights, are you?
I know it's not that high. I don't know how high it is.
It's only like probably 2 metres.
I know, but still.
He had no chance on the paraglide.
No chance, not a chance.
We're off.
I'm nervous.
Habibi, come to Lanzarote. Forget about Dubai. Go to Lanzarote. We've got camels here as well. Tell you what, it's actually quite relaxing this, sitting on a camel.
Yeah, it is. I see what.
Bit of a bumpy ride, but it's relaxing. Alright buddy, slow down.
Yeah.
You're papping yourself, aren't you, Dan?
I am literally, this, you can tell how, if I'm scared of this height, you can imagine what I'm scared of, like, you know, on a proper height.
10,000 likes and Dan goes paragliding.
It's a video interesting as well, is just doing things more outside your comfort zone. It's something I've never done before, so it's interesting to see what it's like. It's exciting to try new things. You won't get me skydiving.
Well done, buddy. Well done. Just arrived at the volcano, guys. Vlogging a vlog. Just arrived at the volcano site, and we're going to go see this experiment.
300 years ago, still a very high temperature today. Through little fractures, the heat escapes and it will reach the surface. That's basically what we want to prove, what we want to show you. This is one of them, and later this debris, and it will give it to you. If you think it's too hot, you can change it from one hand to another.
Shit, are you filming that? If it was in Manchester, I'd need this.
And say thank you with 500 euros, maybe. Oh, with an applause.
Legend.
Not today, no, that. Today,
Some very rich person's gonna come one
like,
day.
like most of the day. What we got here? A little cave. Let's say 2.5 meters deep.
Star of the show.
300 degrees. The ranger will take some of these bushes. He will place them close to the heat, and the heat of the magma will do the rest. Obviously, it will start on fire. Mind the smoke, mind the flame. We give it a few seconds. You can get closer if you want, but mind the flame, mind the smoke. Amazing. 300 years after the eruption, the magma is still alive.
Oh.
El diablo de Timanfaya. De Timanfaya de...
Woo! Wow! Fantastical! Well, that was pretty awesome, getting to see all the steam and things like that, and like obviously the experiment where he put the hay in and it lit on fire. But I will say one thing: I thought we were actually going to go inside like the volcano. A little bit disappointed about that. I thought we were going to be inside it, but you know, still good stuff. And you can go inside some of them in some places. You know what? Still good. You get to see all the fire and the steam.
Touristy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does feel that.
But I
yeah.
guess that's what it is, a tourist attraction, isn't it? That's
Aye.
honest,
Exactly.
but no, it's pretty incredible. Like, to just think that you have this.
Exactly.
Like this is in the world.
Time for the first sip. Let's have a look.
Let me get the reaction. What was the reaction?
It's all right. It's all right. Not too bad. Not too bad. We'll have a bit more. Honestly, guys, the food was all right. It wasn't great, but you know, bog standard. I think I might have betrayed Tui a little bit by going with first-minute travel for the trip, but oh well. Tell you what, it looks proper like Mexican here, isn't it? Like, that's
Yeah,
sort of like,
got a Mexican vibe to it, like because it's like an old town brewery or something.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
Alright guys, so we just made it to the final part of the trip. Absolutely shattered, mate. I've been went to sleep. There's a lot of driving on the ship. It's a long one, isn't it?
Too much driving.
Long
It's
trip,
a nice
but
trip, just too much driving. Yeah.
final place, Agua de Milios. We'll have a little bit of a look, see what it's all about. Mate, that view's banging. Alright guys, we've had a fantastic time here inside the awesome looking cave. But guys, don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. And you know what? We'll see you in the next one. And also, one thing before we go.
What I say, absolutely buzzing.